Do not apply for MBA before watching this video. What is MBA? What are the job prospects like? And what are the skills you should know before applying for MBA in 2025? Hello, this is Disha, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you what MBA is in 2025. Do you know that the MBA landscape has changed drastically over the past decade? With the rise of online education, MOOCs and bootcamps, the traditional MBA model is being disrupted. Additionally, the job market has become increasingly competitive, and recruiters are looking for skills that goes beyond just an MBA degree. So, what are the job prospects for MBA graduates in 2025? With the rise of AI and machine learning, automation is changing the way businesses operate. It is already affecting certain manager level positions, and you need to be aware of this trend. So, what can you do to stay relevant in this changing landscape? And the answer is very simple: to embrace technology-driven business models. This means developing skills in areas like digital marketing, data analytics, AI-powered decision-making, etc. By doing so, you can position yourself for success in a rapidly changing business world. According to experts, MBA graduates must also have skills like data analysis, problem solving, and communication. And not only that, they need to be adaptable and resilient, and have a strong understanding of industry trends and challenges. But it is also true, an MBA degree can provide significant boost to your career. It is essential to choose the right program, develop the right skills, and have a clear understanding of industry trends and challenges. And that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this among your friends. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.